Pinball Wizard by The Who. I love this song. I remember hearing it like in the 70s or 80s whenever I first heard it, and I was captured by that opening riff right there by Pete Townsend. We're gonna learn that. It's not too hard, and then the rest of the chords are, you know, pretty much a piece of cake. Let's do it. Hope you enjoy it. You got a capo on the 2nd fret, and you begin here with basically it's an A major, but you're gonna need this kind of shape. Basically take an F major shape, bring it up to the, where am I on this fretboard? 7th fret, right here, 7th fret. You hit the open A string, and then you sort of, you know, remove a couple notes of that F major shape. So you're on the 9th of the D, 8th of the G string, and 7th of the B string. So those are the key ones right here. And when you add in that open A string, and well, it's the high E string, it's the A note, high E string, and this A string right there, it basically makes an A major that's really memorable. And put this thumb to cap it off on the 7th fret of the low E. So now you have like all these little repeating octaves like that. So go like this. So what I did is I put my pinky onto the 9th fret of the G string and then just removed it. And because I was already here, which I just showed you, you just keep removing your pinky and you get that faster rhythm, and then you give it one of those Pete Townsend double really hit hard in the low like that. So once you get the chord shape, it's actually easy besides the, you know, well, not besides, you got to get the strumming down. So you do that first. Then you go down 2 frets. Now this is where it gets a little harder. You basically play an F major shape right there if you want to, and then you add the pinky onto the 7th fret. So it's a G major. It's really a G major, but you're playing it here. Use my thumb, however you do it, and you just lay that pinky on. Then you go down 2 more frets. So now you're in a, down here in the F major, down here, and you're adding the pinky onto the 5th fret and coming back off to the 4th fret. So it's basically the same thing, down 2 frets, down 2 frets. You just need to play a few more of the strings right here like that. Then to E major. Sure plays a mean pinball, so that you pop it on the E major, and now you're ready to rock this part. This one's cool. A major, G major, C, D, like that. And you can see I'm sort of just hitting it in between, popping it, stopping it like that. And then it goes back to the whatever, you know, the beginning part again, another verse, and then it goes. And then at some point it goes, she's a pinball wizard. So that's D, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, A. You got F major, C major. Pretty cool. So F major, such a supple wrist or whatever, C major. And then I just laid that finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. And then it goes, how do you think he does? I don't know. So that's a C. What do I got here? I guess if I'm doing the chords here, that's a C. That would be a B flat, F major, C. Does that a couple times, and then it goes back up into this. You know all that. Sure plays a mean pinball. Those are the 3 main sections of the song. If you learn those, you're good to go. Love to hear what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around the channel later.